Hello dear friends, wish you all a happy Poha day. As you all know that Poha is famous all over India, not only in India, in other countries also. It is a very famous dish. Maybe it east, west, north or south. In all the parts of India, we love Poha. So wishing you all a happy Poha day. Today is the last session and it is the practice session for our subject verb agreement, and we will see few of the important tricks that how much we had retained from our previous lessons. कि हमने जितने भी अपने सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट के ऊपर जितने भी लेसन्स देखे हैं उसका आज एक रिवीजन करेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने कितना रिटेन किया है, कितने ग्रास्प किया है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द टॉपिक. The questions are there and we have to solve it. Either he or I is to represent the class. Here we have to understand that you may say that he is taking is or I will take is. Like that there is nothing, because we are having a choice in this कि either he or I. You have to mark this one. Any one person, not two. So in place of this is, what will be the correct one? Either he or I am to represent the class. Next one, the mob moved towards the auditorium. In this question, what is the problem? The mob as a whole we are taking it, so it will become the mob moves towards the auditorium. Third question, generally it's a very important question. In this, the second innings were spoiled due to heavy rain. So generally people or student they get confused on this कि students को इसमें confusion होता है कि innings तो plural है, so helping verb will be plural. No, because it is by default it is written as because it is the second. So first inning is already over. जो first inning खत्म हो चुका है, ये second innings we are talking about both, but second innings by default it is written as S, so helping verb will be was. Then fourth one, each hour and each minute are to be utilized intelligently. In this what is the mistake? क्या आपको दिख रहा है mistake? Yes. What is each hour? Each and each, this symbolizes singular one, so in place of this each hour and each minute is to be utilized intelligently. Next, the office with all its furniture were auctioned. Here the office with all its furniture as a whole we are talking about. Part wise office is different, furniture is different, it is all singularly or combinedly it is one, कि सबको मिला के हम as a single consider कर रहे हैं. So it will be was. The office with all its furniture was auctioned. Next, the peacock as like of other birds have wings to fly. What is the mistake? क्या है? Here we are talking about a category of bird. Peacock is indicating to a category. We are not talking about the other birds. So here has. The peacock as like of other birds has wings to fly. This is also very important one. Student they get confused in this question. God blesses you with success. Generally they have the view that God third person singular, so it is correct. No, in place of this God bless you with success. Next one, the cook said plenty of milk are required for the party. So here plenty of milk, we can't, it is not a countable noun, it's an uncountable noun. So here what is the mistake? As a whole we have to take it. The cook said plenty of milk is required for the party, not are. Next, very easy one, but still it is a confused one. His shoes is shining. By default shoes is plural. His shoes are shining. Next, very important. 10th, I wish I will be the minister. This is very important one, because by the word wish they feel that he is aspiring. Actually he is not aspiring, he is regretting that I were the minister. I wish I were the minister. So this is all about subject verb agreement, and in the next video we are going to come up with a very new topic and a new challenge of grammar rules and regulations. So till then, take care of yourself, take care of family, take care of your society, follow the COVID rules and enjoy your life. Thank you and have a very nice day.